the plasma shield that guards the realms of man. There is a violent clash unfolding at the frontier of our solar system. Billions of miles from the solar system center, crackling solar winds collide with the powerful cosmic rays at a boundary called the heliopause. When NASA's twin Voyager probes passed through the region and entered interstellar space last year, astronomers saw that the heliopause is not just a symbolic boundary, it's also a physical wall of soapy plasma that deflects and dilutes the worst of the incoming radiation. The plasma shield, as described in a November 4 study, may deflect about 70% of cosmic rays from entering our solar system. You could call it the shield that guards the realms of men. Fermi's Chimblies. At the center of our galaxy is a supermassive black hole. This object's monstrously powerful gravity is sort of like the glue that holds the Milky Way together. Earlier this year, researchers discovered that the glue is letting off fumes. In a March 20 study, astronomers looked at the X-rays seeping out of the galaxy center and discovered two chimblies of superhot plasma stretching for hundreds of light years in either direction. The giant smokestacks seem to be connecting the central black hole to the bottom of the Fermi bubbles. It's possible that these chimblies are fueling the bubbles' slow but steady growth. Solar tsunamis. The Parker Solar Probe record-setting approach to the Sun made this year's biggest solar science headlines, but arguably the most epic Sun study came months earlier, in February, according to scientists writing in the journal Scientific Reports. The researchers described a solar phenomenon called terminator events, basically cataclysmic magnetic field collisions at the Sun's equator. More epic still, the authors wrote, these collisions may result in twin tsunamis of plasma tearing across the Sun's surface at 1,000 feet, 300 meters per second in both directions. These gargantuan solar tsunamis could last for weeks at a time and may occur every decade or so. The next one could be due in early 2020, the authors wrote, which would give the Parker probe something truly gnarly to behold. Fast radio bursts followed home. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, are intensely bright, vanishingly brief pulses of radio energy that constantly zips across the universe like invisible bullets. What are they? Exactly bleaches of radiation from supermassive black holes? The pulses of alien spaceship engines? Scientists don't know for sure, but a team of researchers came closer to solving the puzzle in June when they tracked an FOB across space and time to its precise origins for the first time ever. Using a radio telescope array in the Australian outback, the researchers found the burst in question, which lasted a fraction of a millisecond, originated from a Milky Way-sized galaxy about 3.6 billion light-years from Earth, which was no longer producing fresh stars. These results show that FRBs can form in a variety of cosmic environments, and that aliens still can't be ruled out. And that's just a few space discoveries made in the year 2019.